Okay, good morning. Sorry a bit late today. Let's just go. 2 minutes to the bell. Just run through any potential morning stocks to look at. Let's just have a look at yesterday's movers. Yeah. So Air Asia, nope, much. Solution. I'm just gonna pull up a few gloves today because they pulled back quite a bit yesterday. So I'm expecting some sort of rebound. I'm not sure what I'm actually expecting from these stocks, but I'm just gonna leave them up for now. I am expecting Kosan to rebound a bit because it's at its previous bounce. Okay, so market's open. Let's see what is happening on each stock. Oh, not much volume. Very little volume. Top glove gapped up a bit. Not sure why. Solution gap down. Air Asia gap down as well. Wow, why solution drop so much? Okay, let's see any potential plays or not on the solution. Bounce off of 133. Could be a bounce, but the volume is so weak, so extremely weak. Any movement on gloves? Are you giving us any recovery? Continue dip or recovery? What is my excuse for being late? I had to fight a bear, bro, on the way to work. Looks like another slow day. All the retail traders are sleeping. You had to travel the oceans, run through the thick forest to get to my workstation, dude. And sometimes when you're unlucky, there's bears. So today there was one really annoying bear and I had to fight it. What is happening here? Suddenly so green. But one thing I noticed about gloves, whenever they gap up, right, on the day, they usually have quite a strong morning move like this. So if you dare to gamble, you just pop in a few lots and see how far it can take you. HLT. It's kind of trash. Supermax, if you can rebound around 676, if you can drop back to 676, potential entry. Okay, what is wrong with the pharma? Why do they sell so hard? Doesn't look like the bounces get bought up though. Doesn't look like the dips get bought up. So I'm not gonna touch this. Leave it on the side. Asia, flat. Well, another super slow day. Quite lame, considering this is going into the end of the year already. Final month, final few weeks of trading for the year. Let me know if you see anything that I'm missing, you know. Maybe I'll remove this, the price limit, and see what's new in the super low price world. Win. Nope. Nope. The anything below that is just trash, so gotta keep it this way. HLT on the top, bin tie solution. Moving up a bit. B Pharma, little rebound. No entry because I don't trust this. My problem with solution is that because it's on a very big downtrend, not big lah, but it's on a downtrend right now, so I am usually not too confident with breakouts like this. So I didn't play these breakouts because I was afraid of all the resistance going up. But it looks, I mean, we'll see if it builds properly first. This morning move is borderline okay. It's a bit getting choppy up here. Hopefully, if it can pull back a bit to maybe the green to red line. But it's like borderline. So far, none that I see that have like very nice, strong morning moves. See if we can set up first. I guess HLT could eventually, potentially form a nice soft pattern, but because HLT is so dependent on like others as well, like the gloves. I mean, it's very dependent on the gloves. Is there any news recently? See if I can remove the volume threshold if anything new pops up. Nope. Keep Muda. Wonder how Public Bank is doing. Oh, okay. Yikes. GCAP is pulling up a bit, I see. Meh. Let's take a look at the trash stocks and see. Nope. Well, it's coming close to 676, but I don't think I'm gonna bother. Because this just looks like weakness. There's no dips, no momentum. It's just nobody wants to buy it anymore. Starting to pull back. Yeah, look, the Pharma's rebound is just dog shit compared. I mean, you look at the previous dips. Not even dips like this. No volume there, dips. The panic sells. Not even a panic sell. This is just nobody wants to stock anymore. Ever since they realize this guy is not gonna. These stocks are not gonna be the sole distributors. Imagine those who tried to buy here, breaking its all-time high. Now they get trapped at like 4 ringgit 30 cents. Now they're down 1 ringgit, 25%. Oof. Could that have been an entry? Hard to say. 21.64. Gotta identify some support levels in case this guy decides to go and dip even harder. So there's this absolute low, 2260. It's more around here, 280. Any more on top? Guess this could be one, 328. It's a 330 area. Could be an area that it tries to rebound. If not, there's not much support levels here. I'll just keep this on the side. See if CIMB is moving similar. Nope. So it's only public bank. How about Maybank? Only public bank wants to move because they announced the stock split, which still doesn't make any sense why the stock is pushing up. So it's just all slowly bleeding out. No sign of momentum anywhere. Volume is so quiet. The GCAP is pulling some volume at least, but I don't think it's gonna have any potential at all. This is a pretty much dead stock right here. Giant downtrend. How high can it go before it tumbles all the way back down? And they're red now. Okay. Gloves going back into the red. I'll be interested in top glove again around 615 area. Ooh, fly. Okay, no fly. Yeah, if the trades, I mean, if it stays this quiet, right, I gotta resort to, you know, some private Snapchat stuff. Go back to that private Snapchat life. When do they issue bonus though? Isn't it like extremely close to year end? I thought the firms would start to window dress, window dress their performance, so their figures for end of the year, right? So I thought that would cause a bit of sort of buying interest lah. I thought the fancy numbers that they're gonna put up will be a catalyst to all the trashier stocks, but seems like not. Either it's not the case, or it's just not happening yet. It's end of the year when they want to close their books, right? I think they usually try to find a way and make it look nicer than it is. The pharma continuing to slide. Doesn't seem. So this is definitely not a potential mover. G cap. If you can retrace a bit more, then maybe I'll consider it. But it's a shit stock that has been dumped already, so. The pharma, no panic here, so no momentum. So can't even predict the bounce on this. maybe a small play on solution, but I'm not sure if it's even worth it. Because if I go in small size, these guys are just following the glove stocks as well. Up, down. When the gloves rebound a bit, they want to rebound as well. Same as yesterday, they've been in a full downtrend following the gloves. If you noticed, for some reason, they just like to follow gloves. On like the first dip here, and then the middle of the day dips over here as well, and it's just downtrend all the way. And you see this rebound, they rebound as well. So even if you want to buy a breakout on this, right, you're banking on the gloves breaking out also. Top Glove still buying back shares. 630. So they bought it at, wow. Top Glove started buying here at 6 ringgit 30. No, they bought here at 630. How many shares? 500,000 shares. So they buy at like market close. Oh, yet another quiet day. Just gotta chill. Pharma is still going down. Okay. G caps. Top gainers are all gloves. These two look exactly the same way. Sumax and Top Glove. Let's look at some random stats. My You know, the difference between the performance of each of my pattern is quite insane. Look at this. Look at how much afternoon breakout has made me. Bro, afternoon breakouts, man. Freaking. Compared to like dip buys, compared to my dip buy and my morning breakouts, right? It's crazy. Crazy how it only like, it's not even, it's 3%. Not even 1%. Let me see. It's 3% of my entire net. It's time to find a better way to trade the afternoon. Wow. When next year begins, means short selling will start. And that will open up a whole new world of trading. Short side. That'd be quite fun. Will solution break 150? Is this going to be an entry? Is this going to be an attempt entry? Solution for 150 breaking high of day? What are the major resistance? Major resistance 159, 153 possible resistance. Okay, I'll give it a shot lah. Took a size here. Going for a small trade lah, not looking for a large move. Honestly. Looks kinda choppy though. But it's okay. Let's see where we can go with this. Make sure the gloves aren't like selling off too heavily in case it influences this stock. Going for a quick morning breakout in at 150. Looking for a move. Look, not really looking for a big move here, to be honest. Okay, we got 151. Looking for 153 at least. At least 153. 52. I want to see 152 get cleared fast. And then I want to see 153 get eaten up. Can we see 153? Okay, nice. We're slowly clearing 152. I want to see 153. How are the gloves? The gloves showing some strength. Probably that's why we're seeing some buying on solution as well. Gotta be cautious though, because Supermax, I mean, this move has been slightly extended already. Wow, very nice. Very huge order dropping. Oh, nope, it disappeared. There was a huge order at 152 for a quick second there. Okay. Let's see if we can clear 154. Let's clear 154. Come on. Let's clear 154. Nice. Okay, I sold half into 154. Stopping out at 153. Because I'm not looking for a big move in this weak market. Just looking for a very quick scalp. And I don't think this can go far. So I don't think this can go far. I mean, I'm not even following my strategy for selling anymore. I'm just not confident in this move at all. Just because of how light the volume is. But we got 155, that's good. Looking for 156 and then I'll let go a slightly bit more. So I let go a bit more at 156. I let go about half at 154. And then I let go a very small amount at 156. And pull back a bit. Still holding a bit, about 14,000 shares. Not too significant lah. Might sell the rest. Yeah, you see, when the moment gloves show a bit of selling, I don't know why. They just like to follow lah. Quite dumb, but that's just how it goes. So I'm gonna try and sell it into 155 if it can pull up for a short while. If not, I'm letting it go at 153 or 152. Selling into 153. So I let go the rest of it. Very small move, it's fine. I wasn't expecting much anyways. Looks like it might continue. Looks like the move might continue, but it's okay. I think I am happy with the one small trade today. Good call on solution this morning, Huang. So this is the quick trade. In at 150, out at 154. Honestly, I could have held to 156, which would have been my target. But I mentioned just now, I'm not too confident in this move. I was targeting 154, got lucky with a bit at 156, which kind of balances out 153. So my average will be 154. Try to sell a bit more at 155, but couldn't sell in time. So probably, I don't know, 2 grand, 2K. Small trade. Win is a win. Win is a win. Honestly, I wasn't going to play this, honestly. But on this, or when it retraced here, I thought I could get in. I don't know. I saw that the volume was pushing very hard, especially when it broke 151. It broke 151, it retraced, and then I decided to just hit a shot. Just lock in some quick profits, quick scalp. Okay. Gloves look very chachat. So not gonna bother about the rest. The pharma still downtrend. To give it quick maths. Yeah, okay, about 2 grand. Probably 1.7 after fees. Because fees are huge. Huge. I won't be streaming on Thursday, and I won't be streaming on Friday. I might be streaming on Thursday because I gotta go to the office. Wow, 1 million order at 1.52. Cool, man. Somebody with a gigantic bank account is trying to play solution. And this guy is just dropping like giant volume. Giant like 800,000 buy orders here and there. He drops it in and then he just takes it off straight away. What a weirdo. Continuation? Possible continuation on solution, but I'm not gonna play it. Just let it run on its own. Big sells at 1.6. It's pulling back up to 1.56. Let's see how far I can go, okay? Let's just watch. Nothing new. Oh. Okay. Let's test my theory lah. Whenever it hits a second rejection in the breakout, right? Most of the time it won't. If it forms like two red candles here, if this is a red candle as well, if this closes a red candle at like 1.53, the likelihood of it to continue is very, very, very slim. If this closes a red candle at like 1.54, 1.53. Very big order at 1.54. But that's like the last line of defense already. And it's gone. These people are not even trying to... These people are like trying to queue giant orders. Don't act like I never do that. What? Do what? Buy back into this or what? Well, I don't know what that is, dude. I don't know what you're talking about, man. My account size is not big enough to do it. Well, if it came down here, if it consolidated down here in this blue line, then this could be a potential second play, but consolidation is too close to the top for me. I mean, you could still try 1.56. But I'm kind of done for the day. When the market volume is low, I don't like to play much. It's not comfortable, right? If it moves, then it moves. It's just based on probability wise, right? In markets like these, if I play these 100 times, I'll probably lose majority of it, maybe 70 times. I mean, the volume is quite decent for solution compared to the rest of the market. But compared to its 10-day average, right? Compared to its 14-day average volume, it's quite low. So I'm just gonna watch this and see whether it can give like some stupid move to like 170. Not gonna try and trade it. I'm just gonna close the farmer as well. Keep Supermax up. Keep Top Glove. I'm gonna keep Top Glove up, watching same levels as yesterday. The multi-bounce level at 615, 610. And I don't think there are any other potential breakouts that I can play. Maybe G-Cap, but this is a very trash stock, so and look at the amount of volume needed for it to break out properly compared to the volume that we have now. Just the odds are not good lah. Just the odds are not good at all. But I'll just keep my eye on this. Most likely won't play it. Not most likely. I'm not gonna play it at all. We'll dip the most today. The Pharma. Air Asia. usual. Okay. Well, for those who are watching the replay and you watch till here, make sure you hit the like button. Quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. What I trade is based on my own strategy and is quite complex, so I suggest you to study first before you put any money into the market. Okay, don't throw money in hoping it will work, and don't try to copy what I do, because it's easy to find entry and it's easy to take profit, but the challenge is keeping money, right? The challenge is not losing a lot, and that is a skill that you need to study before you put any money into the market. Okay, thanks for tuning in, my number one fan. I'll be on again tomorrow, 9 a.m. as usual. Hopefully we get more volume tomorrow on a Wednesday. Usually Tuesday and Wednesdays are the days that pull the most volume, right? And so, okay, see, this, it failed. So hopefully Wednesday we'll see more activity on the market. Right, see you tomorrow. Have a chill day, man.